Maladroit is an adjective that describes someone or something as clumsy, awkward, or lacking skill, especially in handling situations or social interactions. Origins: the word comes from the French, maladroit, meaning badly skilled, which combines mal, bad, and adroit, skillful or dexterous. It entered English in the 17th century. Explanation and usage: maladroit is often used to describe people who are physically or socially awkward, as well as actions that are tactless or poorly executed. Example sentences: his maladroit handling of the negotiation offended both parties. The waiter's maladroit movements resulted in a spilled drink on the customer. Cultural significance: the term is frequently used in professional, diplomatic, and social contexts to describe poor judgment, tactlessness, or lack of coordination. It is often contrasted with adroit, which means skillful and clever. Synonyms: clumsy, lacking physical grace or coordination; inept, lacking skill or competence; tactless, showing poor social awareness. Antonyms: adroit, skillful and resourceful; graceful, moving, or acting with elegance; diplomatic, handling situations with sensitivity and skill. Key takeaway: maladroit describes a lack of skill, coordination, or tact, making it useful for critiquing social missteps, physical clumsiness, or ineffective problem solving. Subscribe.